Welcome back to No Sticks, No Bricks. Hey, it's Thanksgiving week. We are 2 days away from Thanksgiving.
I'm ready.
We're gonna cook up a huge spread.
What's this we?
I'm gonna eat the huge spread. You're gonna cook up.
Me and Maria are cooking the huge spread.
Yeah, we got a big spread planned with friends. However, about the worst possible thing that could happen to us for this situation happened last night.
Yeah.
And we're gonna tell you about it right after this. All right, here we go again. So, Jen's making dinner last night, cooking on our stove top here. So, if you guys don't know, move these out of the way here. We've got an induction stove top. So you have to have special pans. It's a 120 volt induction. It plugs in, 2 burners. It's been fairly solid for us. I mean,
Yeah.
we've been using it for the last year, owning this RV, and it's worked great. However, last night Jen was cooking noodles
For spaghetti.
for some spaghetti and went to the bathroom, came back, and the stove was off. We're like, what the heck's going on? So here's our situation. We can turn it on, this side, but as soon as we go to go heat, it just shuts off. This side, nothing. It won't even turn on, nothing. And I know it's induction, you got to have a pan on here, but trust me, you put a pan on here, nothing happens. Let me show you.
And you can turn it on.
Right, but you can't have the heat.
You can't have the heat on without a pan, but yeah, just...
So here's a pan. There you go. It's got the special magnetic bottom on it. So you turn it on, and then go to do heat or temperature or anything, it just shuts off. It's not locked out. You lock it out by holding these 2 buttons at the same time, and it won't even do that. I mean, it's just, this thing is jacked. This side, nothing, absolutely nothing.
This is the side I was cooking on, by the way.
Yeah.
So at first I thought, well, maybe because I had like the microwave going or the convection, bake thing for some garlic bread. We had the air conditioners going because it's humid.
We were drawing a lot of amps.
We were drawing a lot of amps, so I thought, oh, maybe we blew a circuit breaker or, a fuse or something. So I go over to the control panel. It's all green. I search around. I'm like, okay, well, maybe it just overheated. And then...
Yeah, I started doing some research, and a lot of it was that it'll overheat and go into a protect mode. So we're like, okay, so maybe that's what happened. We're going to unplug it. We're going to let it cool off. It sat all night unplugged.
Because the heat goes from 1 to 10. So I had it on 10 to boil water because if I keep it on 5 or 6, it just takes forever. And so I was like, I'll just put it on 10, and once the water starts boiling, I'll turn it down. So I had just put the pot on and went to the bathroom because I was like, it's going to take a few minutes to boil, and came back, and it would not turn on at all.
So like I said, it sat all night, unplugged, cooled down, went to try it again this morning, nothing.
And let me tell you, I'm responsible for some things that I need the stovetop for.
Yes.
For Thanksgiving.
So we got to go shopping today.
Yep.
We have a little plan. We don't have time to do the warranty crap. We're actually out of factory warranty now anyway. I don't even know if this is covered anymore.
Right.
But after doing some research, these induction cooktops, they're fairly cheap, $200-300. But the problem is we're in Galveston, Texas, 2 days before Thanksgiving. Nobody's got one.
Nope.
We checked Home Depot, local appliance stores, Lowe's, everything, Best Buy, you name it.
Yep.
Nobody has one of these. So
He even looked all the way places in Dallas thinking,
Yeah.
he's like, well, he'll just run there because he's very dedicated about this Thanksgiving meal.
I'm getting my Thanksgiving meal, y'all. So we ended up ordering one off Amazon.
Yep.
And one of the options was for fast shipping. We could pay like $115 for fast shipping, and it still wasn't guaranteed to be here by Thursday. It said maybe Thursday, maybe Saturday. So we were like, I'm not paying the expedited shipping. But we did order it. It's on the way. So now we have to come up with a temporary solution, which I think we've got. But we got to run to the store to find it.
Yeah. We have a couple of things that we're going to do.
So we're going to take you to Walmart with us. Are y'all excited?
2 days before Thanksgiving, going to Walmart. I am so excited.
God, it's going to be so fun.
Now, me and Maria on Sunday, I don't know what we were thinking, went to Costco and HEB.
0% chance I was there.
And that was a complete crap
Disaster.
show. Yeah, it was so packed. Like, we didn't even get everything. We just got the stuff for Thanksgiving and we left because we were just too frustrated.
But it's 9:30 in the morning, so maybe we can get to Walmart now before that gets too insane.
Oh, and we have to go to Home Depot because that only...
That's for a different problem.
That's for a different problem.
We're going to go get the industrial dawn to try to get this gray sensor to start working again.
Yep.
So, yeah. All right. Here we go. What you doing?
Because we're going to my most favorite place in the whole wide world.
Oh, yeah. We need the bags, huh?
One bag.
Hey, that bike rack worked great on travel day.
It did.
Yeah, for our first travel day, that thing was awesome. That's a rock star.
And I love this because I can easily put this down.
Yeah. Heck yeah. Let's do it. I think we got here at a good time because there ain't that many people here.
This is what we normally have, right? Yeah, I just need something a little bigger.
So the dilemma we got now is because we don't have a oven, we've got a convection oven, microwave thing. Just trying to make sure we have a pan big enough for the turkey.
Because the one I have in now is like this size. It's just sitting in there. But this one I think will be okay. I'll make it work. Oh, I gotta scan
I mean,
it.
even if it's a little big, we can squish up the size.
Yeah. I'm sure most of you know this. But with Walmart, you can do scan and go. It's like $100 a year.
Yeah?
And then you don't have to go through the checkout. You just scan as you go.
Yeah, it's nice. I mean, you still have to go through the self-checkout.
Yeah, you still got to go through self-checkout, but you just have to scan it. And then
It's pretty convenient.
You can bag your own stuff.
And then also you get 10 cents off a gallon for fuel.
And free delivery.
And free Paramount Plus too, I think.
And free delivery, and there's a bunch of other options.
Yeah, not too shabby. You see, folks, this is what happens when you go to a Walmart with your wife. I would come in here and get exactly what we need and leave. Jen, though, we're going to go down every single aisle to make sure that we're not missing something. Right?
I told you didn't have to come.
I think the words were like this. You don't have to go, but you're going.
That is not true.
Let's see, we've been in Walmart for about 4 minutes, and that would have been all the time I needed. I'd have been in and out already. What you got there?
It's for my menopause stuff. Because I can't take anything with hormones in it, so I have to do these supplements.
This is for the hot flashes?
This is for everything, yeah.
So you think it actually works?
I think so.
We think we came up with a temporary solution to cook our Thanksgiving dinner, and we're just gonna get like a little portable 2-burner electric stovetop thing that we can probably use in the clam afterwards, or outdoor cooking for like fish and stuff like that, because you cook fish inside the RV and the whole dang RV smells like fish for weeks.
I don't like the coils.
Like the flat ones?
I do like, I think this one would.
Or there's a single.
Oh,
We need two?
I'm definitely gonna need 2.
Okay. It looks like this might be our
Only option.
option here, and then small enough that we can probably store it and put it in the clam, I guess. Oh, juice. Oh, you gotta scan it.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you guys like getting cards on your birthdays and holidays? To me, I think it's a complete waste. But if you like cards, put them down in the comments. Let us know. Do you like getting cards? Do you not like getting cards? What do you think?
My dad and mom like to get cards. So.
Well, that's all that matters. And our kids.
And
well, our
kids.
daughter anyway.
Yeah.
I don't think our son Lane cares about cards. I don't care about
Our
cards
daughter
at all.
does. Oh, there we go.
I was promised a treat to go shopping though, and that is Waffle House after this. So that's why I'm here, for the Waffle House. We are now entering the phase where Jen can't believe that we're almost done with Walmart, so now she just walks around looking at random stuff. Yeah, just napkins, random things. She's like, it can't end yet. It's too early to be done already. scan and go. 13 minutes, 14 seconds. Not too bad.
You timed us?
About 4 times longer than it would have took me, but we got it done.
I do need to fuel you up at Waffle House.
Yeah? How
You want to know
come?
why? Because we had to take the clam down last night.
Oh, yeah, that's right. We had some storms come in last night. As a matter of fact, up in Houston, they actually got a tornado last night, so.
We were under a tornado watch.
We were under a tornado watch, so we decided to take the clam down just in case. The wind did start to pick up. We were in there playing cards with Clay and Maria, and all of a sudden the walls started like moving and stuff.
9 o'clock last night, so all our stuff is thrown everywhere.
Yeah, so now we got to put that thing back up.
So I'll give you some Waffle House to fuel you up for that.
Sounds like a plan to me. Y'all know what's going on here. What you doing?
Peeling potatoes.
Getting ready for tomorrow?
Yep, this is like my least favorite thing to do.
You don't like peeling potatoes?
Peeling potatoes.
And I feel terrible because unfortunately I had an allergic reaction one time when I was peeling potatoes about a decade ago. So I haven't peeled a potato since.
Nope, his throat closed up.
That was weird.
It was bad, so.
We were in Germany at the time. I don't know if it was like the fertilizer or something they used in the potatoes over there, because I peeled potatoes before, never had a problem, but for some reason I had a bad reaction, so now I just I watch from afar.
Yeah, and he eats them.
Yeah, when I eat like baked potatoes and stuff, it doesn't bother me, so I don't know. I don't know what happened. It was probably a one-off, but it's kind of like screwing up laundry when you first get married. Then I ain't got to worry about doing it again because Jennifer banned me from doing laundry, so now I'm banned from peeling potatoes.
He can do his own laundry.
Well, yeah, I can do my own laundry.
It's not my laundry.
So tomorrow's Thanksgiving.
Yep.
The temperature dropped big time here in Galveston. Yesterday when we went to Walmart, it was like swamp ass hot and humid and nasty. And then the winds kicked in. They're coming out of the kind of the northeast now, so you can see the clam. I have it all opened up because that thing was blowing all over the place earlier. So I opened up all the sides to get some airflow, but yeah, when we woke up this morning, it had collapsed one of the sides in again, even though it was bungee corded out. And of course, it was always the one that the table is next to that has all the stuff on it, because then that stuff just went everywhere. So we cleaned it all up. Oh, Nelly. Here we go. So, pan fits.
That's a different
Check.
pan.
Oh, this isn't the pan we got yesterday?
No, I have a. That pan's too small. The other pan's in the microwave.
We use our microwave as storage too. Look at this. So these are the big ones we got yesterday. So they fit?
Yep.
Good. Awesome. And then our little 2-burner cooker here that we got. We tried out yesterday just to make sure everything works, and that seems like it's working good. So, crisis averted for now. What in the world?
You're in charge of picking up all the peels that are on the ground.
I think Jen's getting more peels on the ground than she is in the trash can.
I don't think so, because look at the trash can.
No, that's true. But look at this. There goes another one.
I can't help it if they...
It's okay. Oh no. She's having a little pain in her side this morning, so no more making her laugh.
Yeah.
Are you okay, babe?
Yep. Ugh.
Show everybody your new haircut.
Oh, yeah.
We haven't talked about that yet. She's got a new haircut, but Jen's not a big fan of it. I like it. I think it looks
way
cute.
Too choppy. The person that cut it didn't know what she was doing with layers, so I have to do it like this for a while. But it'll grow out.
So she's going to get some hair extensions that go down to like her ankles.
I don't think so.
So the next video should be pretty interesting.
I'm not going to get the hair extensions.
No?
I'm just going to...
Talk about doing it.
I did. I'm just going to suck it up.
Let it grow out naturally.
Yeah. Hopefully it'll be grown up before we go to Cabo.
Alright, I guess I better pick up all these.
You better. They're sloppy.
Holy crap.
Usually itty bitty tries to eat them.
Get over here and earn your keep.
But I don't like her to eat them. They're not good for her.
Potato peels aren't good for dogs?
Well, she's not supposed to eat anything but her prescription dog food.
You're doing nothing to help this situation. Well, okay, give me a kiss. All is good. So today is going to be about prepping for tomorrow, and then also we're going to go out to eat. Since we're going to have a big meal tomorrow, nobody wants to cook today, obviously, so we're going to Doc Holidays tonight for like a late lunch, early dinner. A lot of people on our Facebook page told us to go check out Doc Holidays, so that's what we're going to do.
Yeah, because neither Maria nor I want to cook.
No.
So we'll be
Tomorrow's going to be a lot of cooking.
Yep.
All right, so we're having turkey, ham, mashed potatoes and gravy,
Sweet potato casserole.
sweet potato casserole,
Green bean casserole. Rolls.
oh,
Double eggs.
oh,
Pineapple casserole or pumpkin pie and apple pie. And I think that's enough.
I'm going to be like a tick on a dog.
And then for Christmas, I feel like we should do a brisket. You'll be in charge of cooking that.
Ooh, brisket for Christmas?
Yep.
I'm on board with that. Today's the day, guys. Jennifer's already hard at work.
Yep.
Getting text messages for Happy Thanksgiving.
Yep, already.
As a matter of fact, Happy Thanksgiving, guys.
Yes.
From Jen and I to you guys, we want to wish you guys a very... I was about to say Merry Christmas. Very happy Thanksgiving.
One holiday at a time.
Yeah, one holiday at a time. That'll be a couple videos from now.
Yep.
So what do we got going on here? We got the turkey.
Yep, got the turkey all.
Oh, it's getting ready to get stuffed with the stuffing. We got our oven preheating.
Yep.
So I'm sure everybody wants to know, how did that little guy work
It
so
worked
far?
well.
Yeah?
It did.
So good?
Yep, so far so good.
All right.
I only got to cook the gravy on it and then boil the potatoes,
Oh.
which I
okay.
prepared the other day. So
Yeah.
they're still good.
I love Thanksgiving. One of the worst parts about Thanksgiving, though, is getting up early and waiting for football to start. And, of course, the main event. We're eating at 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
So,
I think the worst part is I have to get up right away and like start cooking. Like I normally don't roll out of bed till maybe 9. This morning I got up at 7:30.
Yeah. We've known a few people that do Thanksgiving dinners, though. So what do you guys think? Do you guys do Thanksgiving dinners or lunch? I think we're more on the lunch train. We're shooting for what, 1 o'clock today?
Yeah. We like to do the lunch so I can have it once, because usually the first time I eat it after cooking all day. I don't know about other people, but I'm usually not like super hungry because I've been nibbling or whatever.
So about 7 or 8.
Yeah, and then the second time I have it, I'm like, oh yeah.
See, if you do the lunchtime one, then you get to have it twice.
That's what I was saying. Yeah, you can have it twice.
Exactly. And then Sunday morning breakfast or Friday morning breakfast.
Yeah. Usually it's like another meal on Saturday.
Right. But check this out. We got the Macy's Day Parade going on right now.
Yep.
We've got our little Thanksgiving ambiance background, courtesy of YouTube.
That'd be cool if we could mooch dog somewhere near there.
I know. Isn't that beautiful? That would be a great Harvest Host location, right? Wouldn't that be cool? And then we've got our fireplace going on right now, but there's no heat on. It's just the lights because it's kind of warm here.
Yeah, I mean, we're in shorts and t-shirts.
Yeah.
I got my Thanksgiving pants on. I've already got them on.
Stretchy pants.
Maria's next door. She's already cooking stuff, getting all her stuff done.
All right. Well, we're going to keep on cooking, and I'm going to be hovering around Jen while she cooks. And
my God, I have to tell him repeatedly to like get out of my way or sit down. But then when I need him, I just have to be like,
you.
Yeah, pretty much. I'm like, babe,
Yeah.
I need your help. But
So stay tuned for some more food.
yeah. Get out of my kitchen.
What?
Now. For the 5th time. Please, just stay out of my way.
Shit. Is this far enough?
Farther.
Is this far enough?
Farther.
Jiminy's.
What?
Hey, this is your husband from Florida. Is this far enough yet?
Farther. You're too close. You're still in my way.
Dang. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all.